everyone, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul, and it's Christmas has arrived in Dollar Tree with their gnomes. Christmas with gnomes. Can you believe it? It's only September and the Dollar Tree has hit the jackpot again. That's all I can say. They've hit the jackpot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started so I can show you what I'm going on about. First thing I seen when I went in was this big welcome sign. For every gnome, there is a letter. So that's 7 gnomes. This is about 3 foot, maybe slightly under 3 foot long and about 6 foot tall, and it comes with the jute rope to hang it. And look how each gnome is different. Their little hat is different. You can't beat that for $1. Okay, and the next I want to show you these 2 little ornaments. Or you can sit them on the edge of a shelf and let their little legs hang. But look at this one, his little hat, his gray body, little legs, and his little hands right here. But isn't he just so stinking cute? And then look at this, here's his brother or uncle, whatever, I say brother. and his does the same thing, his little feet bend, where he could be set down, if it'll quit going around on me, where it can be set down for its little feet to dangle, or you can hang it on a tree. And this one is red in the back, and red and gray stripes, where the other one is red and white stripes. Can't get this hand up as high, but I'm showing you the back, don't need to see that. And there's these 2. And I need to show you these. These are 4 little ornaments. They're 2 red and 2 white, and they're red on the back. Look how adorable. Look how cute. They're about 2.5 inches tall, and I do believe they're all red on the back. It's felt. Yes, they're all red on the back. And then I looked to see if they had more, but they had this style of a stocking, the gray in the back, and look at the design on top, and the back of it's gray. And then there's this one, which the same except for it's red on the back. The stocking is red. Look how big that beard is on them. And I love the top. It feels, you can feel the cotton in it. And this is what the back is like. I do believe these are, the backing is felt. Let me see if it says anything. It doesn't say. But these are at least a foot, maybe almost 2 foot tall. Your average, normal, large stocking size. And then here's the last of the ornaments. There's this one with white, gray, and red hat on, little skis. Look at him, he's skiing. Look at that little fat body, and it's in gray. And then there's this one that they had, white with red going through it on the hat, and the little body's red. The skis are green. Now the skis on the other one was black. Okay, now I have a few signs that are gnomes. There's this one, Merry Christmas. Look at the plaid up here, the black and white. Little green feet. He's holding a present that says Merry Christmas. Tell me if that ain't cute or what. That is just too cute. And then the other one is the red and black. And he's holding a wreath that says, welcome. And his little feet are red. But look how cute. They are just too cute. Now they went all out on this stuff this year. I can really say they're doing good. Because I've been on their website and I've seen other things that are gnomes and other things that are new. Not only for Christmas, but for Halloween too. And I'm really impressed. And the last two gnome things that I have, I have one more, I forgot. After this sign, there's one more sign. This says, there's no place like gnome for the holidays. Now, isn't that just cute? Look at that. I love the black and white going around the edges, the trim. And then it says, I'll be gnome for Christmas, and it has the black and white, the black and red checker going around this one. Look at his outfit, the little snowflakes in his hat. He's wearing green. Too cute. Okay, let me move this. And the last of the gnome is these little LED wire lights. I'm going to hold it for you upside down so you can see the gnomes. See how cute they are? And it comes in a pack like this. Okay, now for the other stuff. It's just a little bit. I got another LED light set. It says 10, so it's like the the mesh that you get. And the lights are inside of this. And it strings out. And they're real pretty. And they made their wreath smaller this year. Remember how last year they were like real big? And but they made them smaller this year. They are a 14-inch. Okay. And then I found these DIY pins. They're 6 in a pack. And, excuse me, this is the little teddy bears dressed up for Christmas. All you have to do is paint them. And they have their little pin on the back. And then they have them in the snowman. They're 6 in a pack. Look at the snowman. I think he's just so adorable. And I love this Santa. He gives me the old Santa vibe. What Santa, look at the drawing of him. It just reminds me of when I was growing up seeing Santa, how he would be drawn in a coloring book or on a card. He's just your traditional. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, if this one is or not like that. But I think it is. If you paint it the right way, it look just like the old vintage, I call it, look. Okay, and then I have these. These are new. They say Crafter Square section, though, not the Christmas. And this is what he looks like in this. But that's how he comes in the, he's bent up, but there's little round where you can take these off right here, just pull them apart. And that's the Santa. And they have the snowman. Look at the snowman. And you just paint him and then leave him hanging, or you can fix them and glue them where his feet's bent at the knees or bent at the elbow and stuff. And then the last of these is an elf. Look how cute he is. Look at that little face. Okay, now, you probably see, I think they had, give me 1 second, I'm dropping everything. Now, I think they had these last year. This is a Christmas tree, and it has the box inside. You could paint these, and you can use them like to put your pins in, some candy cane in, all kinds of little things. Here's the snowman, the same thing. And here's the Santa, and he's built the same way. And then the last few things is ribbon and mesh. They have these kind. Let me turn this around so I can see it and it's not upside down. They have these. Now they had these last year, but I didn't get to get them all last year. And then there's these. Look at that snowman. I love that snowman. Look at him right there. And then this one says Merry Christmas. And I love the snowman and the elf and the little red truck. I think they're just darling. And then they came out with some new style. Used to be tulle, but now they're labeling it ribbon, crafter square ribbon. This is white with black snowflakes. With black. Does that look black to you all? No. This is called blue, Thelma. With blue snowflakes. I said black. And this is red with white snowflakes. And then this one is white with poinsettias. And then the last 4 things that I bought was just your plain, they don't have the checkered plaid and all that out yet for Christmas, but they do have the regular. Alright, other than this, I just wanted to throw this in there and show y'all. This is Fairy Garden Figurines, 3 of the little fairies that they have for fall. And now they didn't have none of the other figurines or houses or anything, but this is to let you know if they're getting this in, they're going to be having something for fall. That's got to do with the little fairy gardens. Well, there is 3 other little things here that I had sitting off over here. I went ahead and just picked out 2 of these. I thought that was different. I didn't see this last year, and I thought, why not try out 2 rows of them, see if I like that style. And then there's this little tin bucket of Santa Claus's waist and his belt. Alright, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, click that thumbs up bell. That'll help my channel grow. Share the video with people you know, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell right next to it so you won't miss any future videos that I upload, DIYs and hauls. And by subscribing to my channel, you will be entered into the contest I have going on, and I'll link more about the contest down in the description box. Y'all have a great day.